So I had no idea that these videos are going straight to Facebook. I would have made them a lot funnier. And again, don't make fun of my haircut. It's a military haircut, and you want to make fun of military. The driving me crazy about voting, which I hope you're doing today, is can I get a receipt? I don't even know idea if I voted the right way when I go in there. And if I buy a Egg McMuffin, they give me a receipt. What about when I vote for the President of the United States? Shouldn't I get a receipt? I think I should get a receipt. And also, don't vote in New York City if you can, because it can get ugly. I was once in there, and the person outside who was running it told me to hurry up in there. It was enough pressure just for me to get out and vote and hit the right switch here. Now you got to yell at me in front of other people? That doesn't make me want to ever vote again. You'd have to coax me with some sort of, I don't know, some sort of open buffet and voting. How about that? How about every time you vote, you get like some sort of, comped room at a casino somewhere? Then I would vote more often.